Hello, my family members. There must be 2 to 3 questions from correct the sentence of verbal ability section in the upcoming Accenture exam. So today I will cover most important questions, most important combination of previous year questions. So I have been uploading videos regarding Accenture preparation. So please watch that. Link will be in the description box, right? And please subscribe this channel. Okay, let's go to the question. So the first question is, which tie is the best from the three that shopkeeper has shown you? Actually, you have to point out a grammatical mistake in the following sentence, right? So, and which part should be replaced, right? Among these sentences, there must be a fault or might not have fault, right? So, which tie is the best from or has shown you the three that shopkeeper or no error? Which is the correct answer? So the correct answer will be actually which tie is the best from. This has a problem because whenever we compare things, right, an adjective should be used instead of superlative. We have used superlative, right? Best. Instead of using superlative, we should use better. I mean, we should use adjective, right? So we will use which tie is better from, right? Better from the three that shopkeeper has shown you, right? So this is the answer. Okay, next question is, the groom had found out that the bride has been afraid and not sure about the noises coming from outside. I hope you have paused the video and tried to solve the problem. And if you have already solved this problem, then kindly give your output, I mean, give your answer in the comment box, right? So the answer will be actually that the bride has been afraid, because we have used past perfect tense in the first clause, right? And in the second clause we used has been, but this should not be used because uh, it must be in the past tense, right? So has been must be replaced with was, right? Okay, let's go to the next question. I have to get to the building in Mansrover Road by 11 o'clock. I hope you have paused the video and tried to solve the problem, right? If you have a answer, then please answer the following option in the comment, right? So I have to get the building in Mansrover, right? I clearly see that a preposition problem, that is on, right? It should be on. Instead of using in, we should use on, because on is used to denote names of street and places, right? So this should be I have to get to the building on Mansrover Road by 11 o'clock, right? So where is the combination here, right? The building in Mansrover Road, this has a problem. Okay, let's go to the next question, that is, it is necessary that you work hard, but the teacher might have to demote you. Please find the problem, I mean the grammatical mistake. If you could find, then this will be very much helpful for you, for your betterment, right? So the answer will be actually here, right? Because actually to separate the two clauses, right, we use or not you not we should not use but, right? If we use or, the sentence should be very meaningful, right? That is, it is necessary that you work hard, or the teacher might have to demote you, right? So this should be replaced with or. So where is the combination? That is here, right? Work hard but the teacher, this should be a grammatical mistake. Okay, let's go to the next question, that is, Sudha and me are like sisters, however, from different mothers, right? So where is the problem, do you think? I hope you have an answer, but I am answering without any delay. That is Sudha and me, right? Because me should be replaced with I, right? So actually, me is the wrong use of pronoun, right? So this should be I. Sudha and I are like sisters, right? So this should be the answer. Okay, let's go to the next question. That is, he has not finished his studies, isn't it? So try to pause the video and solve the question and comment the answer. You know, at the last, there will be a quiz question for you. Please try to solve the problem and give me the answer in the comment box, right? So that you can be benefited. It Okay, I'm answering this question. The problem is in the isn't it? Because a negative sentence cannot end in a positive question, right? Just keep this in mind, right? A negative sentence cannot end in a positive sentence, positive question. So if it would be he has not finished his studies. Has he? If this should be replaced with has he, then this would be correct sentence, right? So the answer will be isn't it, right? So the next question is, a strange man visits the library frequently, isn't it? Now it is your turn to solve the problem. So kindly try to pause the video and give me the answer in the comment section, right? So this is a quiz question for you. So answer this, right? Okay, let's go to the next question. That is also a quiz for you. No sooner did he pack his clothes when the landlord arrived hurriedly. So please, I have not given the options because I could not find the answers in the, I mean the options in the screenshot, right? So please point out a problem, a grammatical mistake in the following sentence, right? Okay, let's go to the next question. My mother questioned me that what I was cooking for dinner. What is the problem in this sentence? Can you answer that? Okay, without delay, I am answering. That what I was in this, here is the problem actually. Actually, when we change the sentence to indirect speech, right? We don't use that as a connector when it is especially an interrogative sentence, right? So when it is interrogative sentence, we have to connect by what, right? We don't use that, so that should not be used, right? So here is the problem, that what I was. Actually, this should be my mother questioned me what I was cooking for dinner, right? Okay, let's go to the next question. That is, it is time now that we should left this place. This is a very simple question. You should know that the sentence, the two clauses used in this sentence should be in the same sentence, right? So here the first clause is used in present tense and the second clause is used in past tense. So both should be in present tense, right? So we should leave this place, right? This leave left should be replaced with leave, right? So problem in the left this place. So I think this is the last question. Okay, so I hope you have learned in this session and you have been benefited from this session as well, right? So if you think so, please subscribe this channel and please suggest me on which topic I should make video. And please watch the playlist regarding Accenture previous year questions, Accenture preparation for your betterment. Please watch that. Okay, thank you for today's session.